Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Sabi. Today we are diving into a world that is normally invisible to the naked eye. I am talking about the microscope, one of the most revolutionary tools in science. Whether you are into biology, technology, or just curious about the wonders of the world, stick around as we explore the history, the invention, and the amazing things microscope can show us. Number 1, what is microscope? So let's start with the basics. A microscope is an instrument that magnifies objects that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. It's like having supervision to look at things like bacteria, cells, or even the building blocks of matter. There are different types of microscopes, but the most common one are light microscope, which use light to magnify, and electron microscopes, which use a beam of electrons for even higher magnification. Number 2, the history of the microscope. Now, where did microscopes come from? Let's go back in time. It all started in the late 13th century in Italy, where craftsmen were experimenting with magnifying glasses. They were the first to realize you could make small things look bigger with just a simple lens. But the real game changer came in the late 16th century with Zacharias Janssen, a Dutch spectacle maker. He invented the first compound microscope, which uses two lenses to magnify things. Although the magnification wasn't that powerful at first, about 9 times the actual size. But then in the 17th century, a guy named Anton van Leeuwenhoek came along. This dude made powerful single-lens microscopes that could magnify objects 270 times. He was the first to see bacteria, tiny organisms in water, and even sperm cells. Because of him, we consider him the father of microbiology. Another key figure is Robert Hooke, who also used microscopes to observe tiny structure in cork. He is the one who coined the term cell, which we still use today. Number 3, how a microscope works. Although let's talk about how a microscope works, it's all about the lenses. You have got the objective lens close to the specimen and the eyepiece lens close to your eye. The objective lens magnifies the object and the eyepiece magnifies the image created by the objective. So it's a double magnification. Most microscopes also have a stage where you place your sample and some sort of light source underneath to help you see it clearly. Then there is the focusing mechanism that adjusts the distance between the lenses and the object to make the image sharp. Number 4, wonders of the microscope. Now for the fun part, the wonders revealed by microscopes. Without them, we wouldn't have discovered cell theory. All living things are made of cells, which are the basic units of life, germs and diseases. It's through microscopes that scientists found out bacteria and viruses causes disease. This discovery led to antibiotics and vaccines that have saved millions of lives. Molecular biology. Microscopes helped us to see the structure of DNA, proteins, and other molecules, which paved the way for modern genetics and biotechnology. Nanotechnology. Electron microscopes can magnify objects millions of times, allowing us to see individual atoms and work with materials at the nanoscales. Number 5, what microscopes can see. So what exactly can microscopes show us? With a regular light microscope, we can see things like cells, both plant and animal cells, bacteria swimming around in water, human tissues like muscles or skin cells, microscopic organisms living in a drop of water. But when we move to electron microscopes, we can see much smaller things like viruses, which are way smaller than bacteria, structures inside cells like ribosome, even DNA and other tiny molecules. With advanced techniques, we can see atoms themselves. Microscopes have truly changed the way we understand the world, from discovering the causes of diseases to exploring the tiniest particles in the universe. They continue to reveal the hidden wonders all around us. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the microscope world. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what you would want to see under a microscope, or if there is anything else you are curious about. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.